Hello! For today's video, I'm going to make a very creamy Buko Ice Candy. Ice candy is one of the Philippines' favorite summer treats. Ice candy comes in different flavors. The most common flavors are fruits and chocolate. Here are the ingredients. Shredded young coconut meat, young coconut water, cassava flour, condensed milk, evaporated milk. I use this plastic for ice candy. The size is 1 3/4 by 10. And this is the instructions in making a creamy ice candy. In a saucepan, mix the cassava flour in the coconut water and stir until dissolved. I use 1 cup of coconut water. Set aside the dissolved cassava flour for later on. In a large pot, heat the coconut water and 4 cups of water at medium heat until it begins to boil. Add the cassava mixture and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens like syrup. The addition of cassava flour is one method to make the ice smooth and soft. The texture starts to become thicker. Also, adjust your heat to low by adding the cassava mixture. Add the condensed milk and evaporated milk and stir until smooth. You can also add vanilla extract to create a vanilla scent. Keep on stirring until it's soft and creamy. This special Buko Ice Candy has a complete cream evap milk to give it a creamy taste and vanilla extract which gives a smooth and tasty flavor. Turn off the heat and let it cool a little bit before adding the remaining ingredients. You can add more sugar if needed. Add 1 teaspoon salt to enhance the sweetness. Stir thoroughly until well blended. Add coconut strings and mix well. Use a funnel and ladle and pour the mixture into each ice candy plastic for about 5 inches high. If the coconut strings got stuck, you can press it with a barbecue stick or spoon. Tie the top tightly and trim the plastic if desired. Arrange ice candy in the freezer and freeze until frozen. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.